Also, I just found the coolest unit ever. It's this old 80s or 70s Carrier heat pump. Carrier round one heat pump. This thing is, it's ancient. Can't really see down there. I see a bulb. I don't know what that thing is there down there. It's an old accumulator. It's got a cover. Looks like it was being serviced at some point. Pressure switches. This thing's ancient. Let's see. It's a 3-ton from 1985. So yeah, it's an old unit. It's a 3-ton from 85. It's in not too bad condition. These things are built to last. I'm guessing all the other guts are down there. Got this zip tie. I don't know why it has this zip tie on it. I think that's the reversing valve down there. That might actually be the reversing valve. I just took a picture accidentally. I think that might actually be the reversing valve. No, that's a high pressure switch. But, anyways, figured I'd film that beast of a unit. It's got mold down there, moss. Coils are in bad condition. Still turned on. Gotta get a shot of this. It's a vintage piece right here. So, ouch. Bugs biting me and shit. Yeah, I wish I could get down there more if this thing wasn't, zip tied. But, oh well. I wonder what that bulb is to. Probably to like a thermal expansion valve or something, but there you go. That'd be awesome if I could catch this thing defrosting in the wintertime. Looks like the fan grill is actually welded to the shroud here, so I have to actually take off the entire shroud. I had to get a shot of that. Thanks for watching.